great wave of our era surges high and sweeps forward, while the rising sun in the east is glorious and looks majestic. After 27 years of trials and hardships, and after 27 years of intergenerational transmission of wisdom and technology, ZPMC, harboring the ideal of rejuvenating China and shouldering the mission of making Made in China the best tag all over the world, has been taking lead in the industry and establishing an immortal legend. Back in 1885, a businessman by the name of Zheng Liangyu set up Gongmao Shipbuilding Factory in Shanghai, embarking on the century-long epic march for Jinhua. Through more than 100 years of transformation from a shipbuilding factory into Jinhua Port Machinery Company, which took over the aspiration amidst the great fervor of opening up Pudong in 1992. Fiercely determined to see the operation of ZPMC manufactured container cranes in any port worldwide where containers get loaded and unloaded. In the east of China, ZPMC has set out with its head held high. In 1992, STS, made by ZPMC, made their way into Vancouver, Canada, initiating the export of China-made STSs and marking the brilliant point of departure for ZPMC. To the United States, Singapore, Germany, Holland, the United Kingdom, the business domain has been constantly extending across the world. Now, products manufactured by ZPMC are famously popular in 101 countries and regions, covering about 300 ports on the globe, and STSs have enjoyed the biggest market share of the world for 21 successive years. ZPMC has truly lived up to the fame as the arm of the world trade. ZPMC, having made its brilliant achievements in the port machinery market, is now sailing forward with effusive ardor on its main voyage. The company, excelling at manufacturing port machinery, demonstrates the spirits of craftsmanship by striving for perfection and pursuing the super quality. Its industry chain has been extended into 8 business domains. ZPMC possesses the capability of marine engineering, procurement, construction, and installation. Its independently developed core auxiliary equipment for marine engineering propels China's high-end marine engineering equipment into the chip-creating era. ZPMC has provided core equipment for the construction of the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, showcasing the splendor of equipment made in China for vitally important projects. The company has 10 big production bases in Shanghai and Jiangsu Province, supporting the common development of the Yangtze River Delta, with a capacity to produce up to 1 million tons of steel structures. The ZPMC-built San Francisco-Oakland Bay Bridge in the United States was a new landmark on the globe that is made of iron and steel, opening the market of the world's steel structures construction to China. The ocean-going shipment power of ZPMC helps expand its business operation globally. 1995 saw the maiden voyage of the steamer Jinhua II, setting a new precedent for China's whole machine transportation. Now, the company possesses the world's #1 ocean-going deck transportation fleet, boasting scores of uniquely innovative shipping technologies which ensure the punctual and safe delivery of huge equipment across the world. ZPMC is actively involved in exploiting maritime wind power at the back of its capability and experience of independent research and development of wind power operation platforms dedicated to forging an industry chain of wind power. ZPMC possesses its own brand of electric products, EZ, that provide customers with a comprehensive package for the life cycle by utilizing technologies such as cloud computing and the Internet of Things. The company has already supplied over 4,000 sets of electric control systems for port machines all over the world, with market share growing year by year. The company is actively going abroad, having established 28 overseas branch offices, thus able to provide its customers with an absolutely safe, highly efficient, and convenient service experience. ZPMC, with a history of over 100 years, is forever vigorous and young. ZPMC is passionately concerned about the people's livelihood and consumption, expanding intelligent and marine industries, forging digitalized transformations. In recent years, the company has delved into the construction of intelligent ports, having forged automatized docks for Xiamen Ocean Gate Container Terminal, Qingdao Port, and Phase 4 Yanshan Deepwater Port in Shanghai, and also been contracted to build automatized docks in Tongshan Port, Vadu in Italy, Abu Dhabi Khalifa, and Adani in India. At the 2018 International Forum about Dock Intelligentization, ZPMC, integrating the needs of customers and the trend of industrial development, provided a detailed one-stop solution plan for the automation of docks. Meanwhile, ZPMC has built up the Terminex's ecological platform that links the global docks, forging a loop of intelligent docks and creating a community of shared future for mankind. ZPMC takes its foothold on the construction of intelligent cities, expanding its industry chains into intelligent public transportation and parking. It is now engaged in intelligent logistics, providing a package of central equipment system for automatized goods storage and dispatching. In its ceaseless exploration of extremes, ZPMC is reaching its new height of goals. It lays emphasis on the creation of new business models, provides services on the basis of big data, and strives for the digitalization of the company. It is always engaged in the managerial and technological innovations, energetically popularizes lean manufacturing, and provides customers with highly efficient and quality products and services. ZPMC focuses on scientific innovation, holds over 700 patents, and turns into reality the glorious dream of creating at least one number one in the world every year. ZPMC has pioneered the construction of the first double 40-foot STS in the world, creatively built a two-way anti-swing dual-box RTG, marking a new epoch in port machinery development. The company has been awarded a number of honorary titles, such as the National First Prize for Scientific and Technological Progress, China Quality Prize, and appointed as a National Enterprise Technology Center. The fruits of ZPMC's dreams have spread all over the world, and the brands of ZPMC's equipment also sparkle globally. Looking back on the glorious journey over the past 100 years, ZPMC is still clinging to its original mission and forging ahead in its pursuit of noble dreams. Responding actively to the Belt and Road Initiative, integrating resources with capital operation, collaborating with its business partners in establishing the community with a shared future, and forging an advanced manufacturing industry cluster, and providing services for global economic development. The company is blessed with over 2,600 professional and technical talents, a team of more than 3,000 welders who have international authoritative certificates, and a great batch of young, energetic, and pioneering staff who carry the hope of transforming ZPMC into a globally distinguished enterprise. ZPMC has always been devoted to the common good and performing charities worldwide. In the Gulf of Aden, Arabian Sea, and the Strait of Malacca, Jinhua 4 and other vessels have defeated pirates many times, showing the power of Jinhua and safeguarding state benefits. Happiness stems from fight, and dreams come true only through tireless struggle. Looking forward, ZPMC will continue its epic journey of pursuing dreams and carry out the one-body, two-wing strategy, namely focusing on equipment manufacturing, taking capital operation and Internet Plus as the two wings, and striving to become the flag and flagship for the industry that sparkle glamorously on our climb to higher peaks of miracle.